After measuring the internal height and width of the opening, divide your space using your chosen accessories. For this example, we have used 550 and 900 mm wide accessories. The first thing you have to do is to fit your stanchions. Measure 250 mm from the back wall, making sure to deduct the depth of any coving if necessary. Using your opening measurements and layout, measure the distance in from the side wall for the first stanchion and secure the top button into the ceiling, making sure to use suitable fittings. Place the stanchion onto the ceiling button, extending it as required, securing the length using the fixing clip. Now level up the front and the side of the stanchion so that it's vertical. Once in place, mark around the bottom foot and then screw the button into the floor, making sure to use suitable fittings. Refit the stanchion onto the ceiling and floor buttons and tighten up the feet. Repeat this on all of your stanchions. To fix your hanger bar, hook both the right and left brackets into the stanchions and twist to tighten. To fix your shelf, hook both the right and left hand brackets into the stanchions at the same height. Now slide the shelf into place and secure this by fixing the screws on the underside of the brackets. To fix your shoe rack, hook both the right and left hand brackets into the stanchions, then slide the shoe rack into place. Secure this by fixing the screws on the underside of the brackets. To fix your trouser rack, hook in both the right and left hand brackets into the stanchions and slide the trouser rack into place. Secure this by fixing the screws on the underside of the brackets. To fix your drawer unit, hook both the right and left hand brackets into the stanchions and slide the drawer box into place. Secure this by fixing the screws on the underside of the brackets. Once fitted, slide the drawers into the box.